Hello everyone, welcome back to Hidden Zaiqa. Today we are making a healthy and delicious gluten-free zucchini noodle stir-fry with shrimp. First, I'm using the spiralizer to make zucchini noodles. Look how easily the zucchini turns into beautiful noodles. Fresh and healthy homemade noodles are ready. Now for our ingredients. I cut half a bell pepper, chopped 3 garlic cloves, and a quarter onion. I'm also using about 12 to 14 shrimp. Let's start cooking. Take a wok and heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium to high heat. First add the garlic and saute for a few minutes until fragrant. Next add the onions and saute for a few more minutes until they become soft and slightly golden. The smell is already so amazing. Now add the shrimp and cook for about 5 minutes or until the shrimp are fully cooked and turn pink. Add a little salt to taste and some black pepper. If you like spicy food, you can also add green chili, but I like to keep it simple and mild. Next add the bell peppers and saute for a few more minutes. This gives the dish a nice fresh flavor and a little crunch. Now it's time for the final step. Add the zucchini noodles to the wok and saute everything together on high heat for just a few minutes. Be careful not to overcook the zucchini noodles because we want them to stay fresh, light, and slightly crunchy. And that's it, our gluten-free zucchini noodles with shrimp are ready. Serve hot on your favorite plate and enjoy this healthy, satisfying, and delicious meal. Thank you so much for watching Hidden Zaiqa. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.